Dearest, how's the academic odyssey unfolding for you this semester?
Honestly, it's been a mixed bag. My literature seminars are absolutely invigorating, but calculus feels like an unsolvable labyrinth.
Calculus does have a way of ensnaring the mind. Have you contemplated allying with a study cohort or seeking a seasoned tutor to navigate the maze?
I've attended Professor Williams's consultation hours, hoping for clarity, but some theorems and formulas still seem to drift beyond my grasp.
Let's seek out a tutor this week then, shall we? Do you think that would cast some much needed light on the shadows?
Without a doubt. Truth be told, though, my wallet's been gasping for air lately. The cost of textbooks and academic paraphernalia has been rather punishing.
I completely understand, darling. The financial weight of higher education, between tuition, tomes, and day to day survival, can swiftly become a burdensome tide. If you require assistance for tutoring or scholarly materials, please don't hesitate to reach out.
That would be an incredible relief. Maybe we could carve out some time this weekend to scrutinize my budget together?
Absolutely, sweetheart. We'll draft a meticulous map of your monthly outgoings, spotlight essentials, and unearth free or budget friendly resources wherever possible.
Thank you, Mom. Just knowing you're in my corner already lifts a heavy cloud off my shoulders.
Always, my love, remember this: seeking support, whether for intellectual battles or financial strains, is a hallmark of wisdom, not frailty. We'll face every storm arm in arm.